Love, is it a gift or a curse? Is it for better or for worse? Is it a Benz or a hearse? Yo, you gotta ask yourself first. Love, is it a gift or a curse? Is it for better or for worse? Is it a Benz or a hearse? Yo, you gotta ask yourself first. I'll never let the flame die, let it remain high. I was good but been better since we became I. And cause you're past now, it's hard to give your heart to. Part 1's done, baby, this is part 2. Starring you and me, written by you and me, produced, directed, even edited by you and me. So when you ready, lights, camera, action, just give 100% and not a fraction less. I had to double take, close my eyes to realize is the beauty that I'm staring at from my real eyes. Is my mind playing tricks with these lies? Or is my mind really thick with these thighs? She had more curves than the mountain slopes. Like a Leah man, yo, she could rock my boat. So much that she could be my soap. That aroma on her body got me high like dope. What I got now is like I scored a touchdown. I'm feeling shorty cause I only feel a touch now. I quit the range and playing the games, and even tossed out my little black book full of names. Because I got a lady that don't trip when I roll out. Only if you know what I mean, feel me, no doubt. So word is born and yeah, born is sealed tight. I ain't gotta spend $1 just to make me feel right. Yeah, within a couple seconds you could always tell if you got a match or you never will. Is it fake or is it real? Do you wanna grab her or just grab the bill?